Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook ads banner or post in Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's a great site for beginners who don't know how to create graphics or other documents, or for simple video editing. It's perfect for beginners, and the best part is you can customize ready-made templates that are designed by professionals and creatives. You just need to tweak and brand them for yourself, and you're all set. So, let's get to the point. Today, we're making Facebook ads in Canva. To do that, make sure you've created your account, and now go to the search bar and type Facebook ads. There are lots of template options available. Just explore and pick whatever matches your requirements. For example, if you're in real estate, choose a real estate template, or whichever fits your needs and category. Maybe I'll go with this one. Just explore, and for sure you'll find a template that works for your Facebook ad. So just pick it and customize the template. Now, this is the template I want to customize. I'll play around and maybe I'll change like this. I'll customize as I want, modify numbers, everything. I might want to change or replace images. I will go to the elements, or maybe I'll upload my own images if I want. But for now, I'll use Canva's library. I will go to Folders, and just like this, I'll replace images. I'll customize and modify whatever I need. I'll change branding colors to my brand, and change whatever I like. So yeah, you can customize or modify whatever you want. Add your own branding, input real information and details, add your logos, everything. Now, suppose this is the design I'm satisfied with, and I'm ready to export it. To export it, just go here and download it in PNG, because PNG is the format required for Fiverr ads. If you want an IMP4, that's available as well. Just download it, and you're ready to run ads on Facebook with your new design. Just go to Facebook and run your ad with this design. It's really simple, and in just a few easy steps, you can create effective Facebook ads for your niche or your brand by yourself. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.